Welcome. If you want to enter one-hand mode in your Realme X50 Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now click on the search and type here one. Click here and we have to activate this option to pull down to enter the one-hand mode, and it is to pull down the home button. So let's try. And as you can see, right now we enter the one-hand mode. If you want to get it on the right side, you have to click right here. And if you want to get it on the back on the left side, use the same switcher. And if you want to adjust the size of the screen, you click here. But of course right now we can easily reach a very part of the screen. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.